Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Microsoft Store. Something happened on our end. Chapter 1. How to fix Microsoft Store. Something happened on our end, erasing temporary. To start, the search box enter %local app data %. Click on File folder. After that, open the Packages folder. Then, open the Microsoft Windows Store folder. Here, open the local package folder, and if there are files, you must select them and click on Delete. Chapter 2. How to fix Microsoft Store. Something happened on our end, restoring store. To start, open and select Settings. Now go to Apps and then select Installed Apps. You are going to the bottom to select System Components. Then, click on the Microsoft Store context menu and choose Advanced Options. Here at the bottom, click on Reset. You must confirm this operation. Wait for the store to be restored. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.